Hello everyone. I have decided that I am going to redecorate my hall. I had a flood from the upstairs apartment and the ceiling was ruined. It came down all of the walls. You can see the water on all of the walls. So I've decided that I am going to repaint it and I'm going to redecorate. So, see you guys later. Okay everyone, so here is the walls painted. I'm afraid that the water damage hasn't completely disappeared, but I'm going to try and hide that by putting a lampshade around it, around the light. I'm not going to repaint it because I'm only renting. It's not a great paint. I bought the Woodies paint, I wouldn't recommend it. It's 2 coats over Magnolia and it really didn't take very well at all. But I'm going to try and make a gallery wall on this wall, and I bought these. I got these mirrors in Homestore More. They were only €5, and I got these bargain in Dealz. I thought they were $1.50, and when I got to the checkout they were only 75 cents each. So I got 2 in silver and I got 2 in the burnished brass. So hopefully it'll come out nice when it's finished. Okay, so here is the finished product. I did all the woodwork and I did another coat on the walls. That lampshade is from Ikea. I really like it because the ring around the top really disguises the watermark. But here we go. Got this picture from Heatons. I'm really happy with how this came out. The 3 mirrors were from Homestore More for €5, and each of the starbursts were from Dealz for 75 cents each. I did 2 DIYs, one here. I just bought those little mirrored rings from Mr. Price, and I sprayed one of the bronze ones a matte gold colour. My snake plants. These 2 little candle holders were half price from Dealz, 75 cents each. Snake plants are in the little pot holders from Ikea. I'm really happy with how it came out. That was less than €10.
Subscribe.